could never defeat Ethiopia in no kind of war, neither physical nor spiritual. Ethiopia stand firm. See? That the man is saying, freeze having football one of the atomic and the soldier them are run from the war ground. Soldier them say that I'm going to blow off here. You know, you have to tell them what them are take what themselves and run in. They must say, what kind of man this? You want to try the journalists and catch this one. And the only war leader ever do that. And the only war dictator in our earth ever do that. The man dangerous. While I turn against the man them again, while kings are eat the man them and I fight against them. While I while tiger fight against the man them. The man them I say them I wonder then what kind of man this we call all animal and turn against them. Yeah man. So Mussolini go back to Rome and ask John Pope, so then John Pope, this thing ask John Pope the second. Then when me can never tell me say I send me go fight against God. When you have to Pope that the Pope faint way. Yeah. When me can never tell me say I send me go fight against God. And that Mussolini go ask John Pope the second. John Pope dead after that. Take sick, dead. Then you can tell him. You want to defeat the scepter in Ethiopia when you name the Prince of Gotista, but he keep the scepter. He must carry it back to him. He must carry it back and the emperor never tell him bring it back. Yeah. Yeah man. He must carry back the scepter in Ethiopia go give the emperor. Yeah man. Tell me and tell you. He never ask them to bring it back. He must carry it back. Yeah man. So this man here of Christ, I tell you that. He's divine. Him come from the family where all of the man in the Bible come from. Real selassie come from the family there. Jesus is not from that family. Yeah. Yeah. Them beat Jesus in the slave. Through slavery them beat the white God in a way. And so we must worship the real God. If we don't worship the real God, then kill us with blood God. Yeah. So until now the slave still teaching them to worship the real God. But clearly identify that the real man is the devil. Yeah. Yeah. It's the truth. See? Jeremiah speak up, tell you. And in the book of Matthew tell you again, you are people is the devil. Yeah? Yeah, it's the truth. Everybody when me see a possessed with that devil, them eye blue. Yeah? I agree. Yeah man. It's the truth. Yeah man. And that's what it is.